Hey everyone, I just got an incredible deal on Vidiq and I want to share it with you. I managed to snag 90% off my subscription, and I'm about to show you exactly how you can do the same. That's right, if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll give you an exclusive promo code that will get you more than 90% off your own Vidiq subscription. This is a deal you won't find anywhere else, so don't go anywhere. Here's what you need to do to claim your discount. First, click the link in the description below to head over to Vidiq's website. You'll see the Xavier tab on the page, which means you're in the right spot. This promo code is an exclusive offer, and only my audience can get access to it through this video. When you check out the pricing, you'll see that Vidiq's basic plan is normally $10 a month, but with my promo code, you can grab it for just $5. That's over 50% off. And if you're looking for more advanced features, the Boost plan is available for just $24 a month, normally $50, thanks to the code I'm sharing with you. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description or the pinned comment below to get started and claim your exclusive discount on Vidiq. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the next one right here.